Hello everybody, May 10, 2023. Today was the CPI day. Market gave us a great opportunity to short. Did you short? I was telling you guys yesterday, it's possible we're going to gap up and go in this sell zone. That will be a gift. So I hope you guys listened and took this gift, and you would be in profit if you took that advice. Anyhow, if you like the content, please hit the like button. It only takes 1 second to hit the like, and please share with your friends and family. If you're making money and want to donate, there's a PayPal link in the description. I would really appreciate your donations. All right, so this is a MES chart. Let's go to 1 hour chart. See, we had an inflation day today, and around 8:30, we if I go to 30 minutes chart, I warn you guys, it's possible they can gap up, and that's what happened. They gapped up, they gapped, and then they basically came back. That was a great opportunity to short. So market opened around here, around 9:30. If I zoom in a bit, this is 9:30 market open. You could have shorted it, and we would have made a lot of profit. And at the end, they just rallied to close it, which is okay. Now going back to daily chart, nothing changed. So basically still a lower high. Okay, this is a zone. Bears are basically in full control. Bears don't want this to go above this. So that's where we are. So we closed around, let's see, SPY closed around 0.46. So that's not that much of an upside. So like an indecision candle, you can see basically another dodgy candle here. So again, my preference is still same. Now we are going to lower. Mainly there is a lot of pressure on Russell 2000. This purple cycle, okay, it's coming here around early part of June, and also this yellow cycle is also coming. Also there is this other cycle as well. This is a minor cycle, so we can get, so you can see this cycle is coming here. You can get a little bit more dip, maybe get a little bit more bounce. So it's possible. So it's not going to go straight down. Okay, that's what I'm trying to tell you. So if I bring this cycle closer, okay, so we can get like a little bit more dip here, all right, and then a little bit bounce because this cycle is going higher, and then we're going to go lower. Okay, so let me go back here to show you guys, zoom in to show you guys how it's going to look like. So that's like minor details, micro details. Okay, so this cycle low, expecting next couple of days a dip, then a little bit bounce, then again go down and sell here. Okay, mainly the selling will mainly be due to Russell 2000 and financials. So look to take look to and that will represent a great opportunity to buy. Okay, that's going to be a great opportunity to go long. I'm not expecting a crash. Market is doing pretty good, so I don't think we're going to crash. We're going to have a great opportunity to go long here. Okay, so save your cash, look to buy here. All right, also you can see this dotted line is my projection. Okay, this is a projection. Let's go to weekly. Again, I showed you guys yesterday also. You can see this on weekly. This dotted purple line is Russell 2000. It's going to sell. It's going to put a lot of pressure on S&P 500. You can see this last 2 weeks of candles. They are like hanging man candles. Okay, which means the probability of going above this 4180 is like very low. All right, this is like they try to put it above this, sold out, try to put it above this, sold out. So every time this is like a reversal candle. Okay, so I think we're going to go down, go back here, buy. This is the dotted line, looking to buy around early June. Okay, and then gonna go higher. All right, so that's what we are expecting. And then again, a 1 minute chart. I just released another video for day trading. Okay, I wanted to show you and give you an update on what I showed you like a half an hour ago. So let me bring back those Keltner channels and this machine learning channel, sorry, indicator. So I was telling you, let's go to US 500. I was telling you, if you look at my video just before this, we were here, okay? I told you guys this is a perfect opportunity to go short, okay? And at that time we were going in the red line here, and I told you guys you should be looking to buy sell Nasdaq 100 and see, even if right now we're selling. Okay, same thing here. So you could have told and we even got this sell signal on this machine learning indicator. You can use that. That's also a very good one. Also the other one is this one. Let me show you very quickly. Got Kettler channels. So that's the one we used. Sorry, Chandler exit. You can even use this one, Chandler exit, which is going to do the same thing. So if you're not sure, if you want to wait for confirmation, you can use this machine learning. Let me go back and show machine learning, this one, okay? Or you can use Chandelier exit, okay? They do the same thing. So we got a confirmation of sell signal around 15:49, 3:49 p.m. So now we are selling off, okay? Nasdaq 100, same thing. We got a sell signal around 15:45. Same thing. You can see it's a good indicator. US 30 is in the neutral zone near yellow. I'm not looking to trade. Russell 2000 is also going approaching sell zone. So take US 2000, sorry, US 500 as a basis, and then you can plan for your trades based on other sectors. So if it's at the top, see which sector is at the top here. Nasdaq 100 is at the top. That's a good to short. That will give you more opportunity to take profits. If it's at the bottom, look at all these which one is selling more, look to buy that one. That's going to give you more upside, okay? Very easy trade to go. Okay, now go back to regular drills, SPY. Let's hide these so it's a bit better. So this is SPY, okay? SPY closed some gaps. So this is the ETF for S&P 500. It closed this gap so you can get rid of this yellow line, okay? And now there's a gap at the bottom. There's a gap here at the top. So it's in the middle. So I don't know what gap is gonna fill, but I'm preferring a downside, looking for this big gap to fill, okay? Looking for this big gap to fill and then a bounce. That's on SPY. Nasdaq 100. Let's go to 1 hour chart. We're still above this channel. We're still above this channel. And after CPI day, we gapped higher. You can see I don't have PPO here. Let me try to bring PPO. So let's get rid of these for a while. We don't need this. We can add a PPO indicator here. Let's quickly go and do that. Here is PPO. You can see what happened today. You can see we are going higher. We made a new high on lower momentum on RSI and PPO. You can see RSI is going lower. You can see PPO is going lower. All right. So we made a new high on a lower momentum. Let's see US 2000. You can see this one is also same thing, same concept. Okay. RSI is low. And then even PPO is low here. All right. So going higher on lower momentum. Okay. So that's basically an indication of a reversal. So nothing changed, right? So again, I'm expecting more sell-off. Even on daily chart, Nasdaq 100, you can see there's a divergence. Okay, I will show you on triple Qs. You can see there's divergence on PPO and RSI. You can see RSI is going lower. You can see PPO is also going lower. All right, so nothing changed. Although it might look like we moved 1% up, we are making a new high on divergence on RSI and PPO. So which is an indication that we're going to have a reversal. This gap is filled, so we can get rid of that. Another gap here, we're getting very close to the top. This is our final target, okay? So we're getting very close to the top. You can see I did not change this arrow. We are very close to it. Are we going to like gap up tomorrow and then start selling off? We don't know, we'll see. But my point is we are very close to the top, okay? All right, so VIX is very close to the bottom. It's actually this coming Monday, looking for bottom. So cycle can be off 1 or 2 days here and there, but it's very close to the bottom. Okay, so it's making higher lows now. So I'm expecting a bounce very soon and market to sell off very soon. US 30, same thing, indecision candle. I think it's gonna go lower with the S&P 500. Same thing on US 2000, which is small caps. Small caps is gonna put a lot of pressure on S&P 500. So looking for equal lows or lower lows, this will be a great opportunity to buy small caps. And I'm looking at 5th of June to 12th of June to buy. Okay, so looking for more selling there. All right, let's quickly go to other ones. Crude oil selling off, so nothing changed. Looking for more lower prices here. Okay, natural gas. 1 hour chart, I have gaps here, so looking for this gap to be filled around 2.18. So not looking to be bullish until then. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is basically indecision candle, looking for more sell-off with S&P 500, looking to buy. This is the buy zone. Ethereum, same thing, around 1700 is the buy zone, looking to buy there. Let's go to dollar. Dollar is selling off, looking for lower prices in dollar, coming here around July. Gold, not interested right now. It's gone too high, looking for this box around 1960 to buy again. So also you can see this big cycle. So looking for bottom around September. Okay, I think we're gonna chop around here. This is the sell zone. This is a big resistance zone. Not looking to go buy gold here. Looking for more sell off and looking to buy around here, around 1900. Silver, same thing. Looking for more lower prices. Wheat, looking for another lower low. Okay, before I'm looking for a lower low. This is the weekly cycle. Looking for a low here, looking for a low to form, and then on a divergence, that's when we will have some divergence on PPO and RSI, and looking to buy at that time. TNX basically selling off, made some cycles here, so looking for more lower prices here. Cycle low is coming here around 9th of June, looking for selling here. Bonds, bond market, basically a little bit of more pump. Look at this cycle is going higher, so a little bit more pump and then a dump. Okay, gold miners 0.71% down, not interested, looking for this to top out very soon, and then this cycle low is coming around July, looking to buy around that time. Let's keep moving. Energy sector going down, looking for lower prices. This is my final target around 71, this big gap here. Okay, XLU, utility sectors is a bit up, but looking for more selling very soon. XLV, healthcare sector, more selling. Financials were selling heavily in the morning and then they recovered a bit, but looking for this to sell more, looking for at least previous lows or even lower low. Looking for capitulation in financial sector, industrial sector, basically looking for lower lows. Real estate, for some reason, it's up, but yeah, I think we're gonna go low very soon and start dumping. Okay, Tesla, uh, it was up 2% and then they dumped it. So I don't know what's going on. These guys, is like you can see, we closed this gap, we gapped up. It was up almost 3%, and then we closed the gap. The whole gap is closed. Now there's another gap left here. So and then there's another gap at the top. So we're in the middle of two gaps. Let's go to daily chart and see. So we can come down if S&P 500 is going to sell, come down to fill this gap first and then go higher. Okay, and also you can see this dotted purple line, looking for this cycle is coming. So I think we're going to go down from here, fill this bottom gap, and then this cycle is going higher, and also looking for a little bit more pump and then come back on this yellow cycle. Okay, the two cycles coordinating with this. Okay, so this purple cycle is going to put some pressure to maybe fill this bottom gap first, and then this yellow cycle is going to put some upward pressure, and also this purple cycle is also going higher, so it's going to have some pressure up, and then this yellow cycle is coming lower, so we're then going to go back down to fill this gap. So until we have a higher high, basically looks like we have this is low, this is lower low, we need to have a higher high. Okay, fill this gap first, and then we need to close this gap around previous high. Until we get that, things are looking really bad in Tesla. Apple up 1%. Okay, but you can see again divergence on PPO and RSI, so nothing changed. We are again in this near sell zone. Okay, so did we make a new high? Let's see. We did not make a new high. Okay, so previous highs are here. Big divergence on PPO and RSI. Okay, even if you make a new high, it's going to be on divergent high. So looking for more selling soon to start in Apple. Google was up 4%. They're releasing a new fold phone, foldable phone, but you can see nothing changed. You can see still divergence on RSI and PPO. Until these divergences are erased, I don't think market is going to go too much up. Although it filled a couple of gaps here, bullish candle, but I'm still looking for lower prices in Google. Microsoft was up. Let's see, same thing. RSI has divergence. You can see new high, a lower high, and even PPO has divergence. Okay, so it filled the gap, but looking for lower prices. Snowflake was very bullish, going up like a rocket, and I see divergence on PPO, but no divergence on RSI. So also there is this cycle, so this cycle is topping out very soon, so looking for this Snowflake to top out very soon and start dropping around July timeframe. Okay, also this cycle, minor cycle is coming here, so looking for that to drop here. Meta was a bit down, looking for lower prices, multiple gaps to the downside, Amazon, I think looking bullish, but it opened a gap. Now it's above this. Let me bring those other moving averages here. So I think it's above this. Was able to gap up, close above this 200 SMA, looking bullish. And we don't want Amazon to cross above this island reversal candle. Okay, if it close above that, then this candle is negated. We are going higher. I don't see any divergence yet, so Amazon is looking really bullish. This is still not a new high, so there's no divergence on PP and RSI. So Amazon is one of the best stocks looking right now to go bullish. Netflix held support. Okay, this is the white trend line, hold support, now going higher. Nothing changed. Nvidia again higher 1%, but still huge divergence on PPO and RSI. AMD, AMD sold off. This could be a reversal candle again in this big sell zone, this red box AMD. So looking, this is a reversal candle looks like, so looking for lower prices. Okay, guys, that's it for today. And if you're still here on your way back, please hit the like button. It just takes you 1 second, and I will see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.